Exporting your subscriber list from MailerLite in CSV format allows you to back up your data, migrate to other platforms, or analyze subscriber information. MailerLite is a popular email marketing platform, and knowing how to extract your data is crucial for data management and compliance. We will focus specifically on CSV format, which is compatible with tools like Excel and Google Sheets. First, log into your MailerLite account using a desktop browser. The mobile app does not support exporting. Navigate to the Subscribers tab. From there, you can choose to export a specific list or all subscribers. Once you've selected your list, you should see an Export button. Click this to begin the export process. Remember that exports require two-factor authentication for accounts handling sensitive data. After clicking Export, you'll be presented with options to customize your export. Ensure that CSV is selected as the export format for its simplicity and compatibility with spreadsheet software. You can also apply filters based on subscriber status, such as active, unsubscribed, or bounced emails. Additional filters include custom fields and date ranges to narrow down your export. Applying these filters can significantly reduce export time and isolate the specific data you need. Once your settings are configured, initiate the download. Note that free accounts are limited to 1,000 subscriber exports, while paid plans offer unlimited exports. The downloaded CSV file is a plain text file organized into rows and columns. Each row represents a subscriber, and each column corresponds to a data field. Each column corresponds to a data field such as email address, name, subscription date, custom fields, and subscription status. Open the CSV file using spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets to view the data. MailerLite automatically excludes unsubscribed contacts unless you specify otherwise. For security reasons, passwords and payment information are not included in the export. When exporting subscriber data from MailerLite, you might encounter encoding errors that cause special characters like accents or foreign letters to appear garbled in your CSV file. This happens because different character encodings can misinterpret these characters. To fix this, ensure your spreadsheet software is set to use UTF-8 encoding when opening the CSV file. UTF-8 is the standard encoding that properly handles international characters. For large subscriber lists, the export process can take considerable time to complete. If you have thousands of subscribers, the download might seem slow or stuck. To speed things up, segment your export into smaller chunks. Instead of exporting your entire list at once, break it down by tags, segments, or date ranges. This reduces processing time and makes the files easier to manage. If your export download appears to be stuck or not starting, the issue might be with your browser's cache. Cached data can sometimes interfere with new downloads. To resolve this, clear your browser cache. This removes stored data that might be causing conflicts. The steps vary by browser, but typically involve going to Settings and finding the Clear Browsing Data option. Exporting subscriber lists serves several important purposes. It's essential for migrating between different email marketing platforms, allowing businesses to switch providers without losing their audience data. Exports also create secure backups, protecting against data loss or system failures. Additionally, they enable cross-platform analytics by allowing data to be analyzed using different tools and systems. Current email marketing trends emphasize data portability, making it easy to move subscriber information between platforms. Integration capabilities allow seamless connections with customer relationship management systems and other marketing tools. Looking ahead, future trends point to enhanced automation in export processes, reducing manual effort. Support for additional formats like JSON will improve compatibility with modern APIs. Privacy regulations will likely require mandatory audit logs for all exports to ensure compliance. Finally, embrace data hygiene practices by regularly cleaning your subscriber lists through exports. This removes inactive or bounced addresses, significantly improving email deliverability rates and overall campaign performance.